Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies for you sa first half ng 2025. So that's January to June 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you. Okay, Caps. And of course, it's Capricorn season. Happy birthday. Happy solar return to you. I wish you all the best. Happiness, success, good health. Ayan. So let's see, Capricorn. You have energy ng Cancer. So this is about protection, focusing on your emotions, your nurturing energy. So maaring you will also focus on your family ngayong first half ng June, yung mga needs nila. You also have the 9th house, which is exploration. So pwedeng you will travel more ngayong first half ng 2025. Pupunta sa iba't ibang lugar. Pwedeng local travel, pwedeng international travels for some of you. Yung iba pwedeng lilipat ng bahay. Also have Pisces energy, sensitized. So yung iba sa inyo, yung exploration na gagawin nyo is related sa inyong mga talent, skill set. So pwedeng may mga projects kayo sa iba't ibang lugar wherein dun nyo mas nagagamit yung inyong abilities, yung inyong expertise, kakayanan, skill set. And yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, kasi puro water energy to. So, you may become more emotional and expressive sa feelings mo, no? Ngayong first half ng 2025. And I feel like there is something na, may fulfillment pagdating sa places na gusto mong puntahan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, puntahan, no? Magagawa mo ngayong first half ng 2025. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring merong accomplishment dito sa pag-aaral or sa bagong kaalaman na i-explore nyo. Yung iba may training abroad or meron kayong ang tawag doon, convention, napupuntahan, seminar. You have the 9 of Pentacles. Yes, 9 of Pentacles is a pre-Empress energy. So this is stability in your finances, financial abundance, and financial independence. So, not to worry about your finances, Capricorn. Kasi as long as willing ka na mag-improve ng sarili mo, ng kakayanan mo, hindi ka maubusan ng opportunities. You can always create opportunities para sa sarili mo. You have the 2 of Cups. This is business partnership for some of you. Yung iba naman, merong relationship na papasukin. Some of you, maaring, if you are not actually single, no? If you are technically single, pero may karelasyon ka. Kasi diba, may civil status na tinatawag. So, kahit may jowa ka, may boyfriend, girlfriend ka, you are still single kung di pa kapakasal. So, some of you, pwedeng magpapakasal. Or, papasok sa isang very serious relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, this can be a long-distance relationship or foreigner yung person nyo. Wow, you have the Magician. This is about your skill set. You are going to meron ka madidiscover sa sarili mo can be a talent or a skill na hindi mo pinapansin before. Tapos, ngayong first half ng June, you will try it, susubukan mo. And then eventually, magugustuhan mo. And then eventually, pwede mo siyang ma-monetize. Pwede mo rin siyang gawing business or trabaho or career path. Yung manifestation abilities mo rin, very strong ngayong first half ng 2025. So, if you want to manifest something in your life, especially if it's money or an opportunity abroad, yes, meron. You also have the Hanged One. The Hanged One is about pagiging maingat sa mga decisions na gagawin mo. Maaring meron kang project or meron kang desisyon na gagawin ngayong first half ng 2025 na hindi mo kaagad-agad gagawin. Sasabihin ko meron kang gagawin na desisyon na hindi mo agad gagawin. Or you will be faced with a decision na bago ka mag-decide, pag-iisipan mo muna. Okay? So, yun yung maaring maging dahilan para merong medyo mag-delay or mabumagal, okay, sa mga gusto mong gawin or sa gusto mong i-manifest. Let's clarify that. Oh, transformation. You know what? Para kasing meron kang gustong tapusin, okay? This can be ending of a situation, ending of a relationship or a situation sa work, or you just want to end something, no? Para merong bagong experience. But at the same time, very calculated ka rin, na tipong hindi ka basta-basta magde-decide ng ganun-ganun lang nang hindi ka sigurado sa ano yung fallback mo. Example, magre-resign ka sa trabaho. So, alam mo na ayaw mo na sa work mo, or for some reasons, meron ka nahanap na mas magandang work. And then, syempre, hindi ka naman agad-agad magre-resign nang hindi ka pa sigurado doon sa nakita mong magandang opportunity. 'Di ba? So, you are preparing yourself na mag-transition. Okay? And even sa paglipat ng bahay, hindi ka naman agad-agad aalis dun sa bahay na panggagalingan mo para lumipat, kasi i-check mo muna yung area kung maganda ba yung location, magiging conducive ba siya, or magiging makakatulong ba siya sa career mo, sa business mo, or mga projects mo in the future. O, diba? You are going to explore. Yes, you are going to have this new direction. May bago kang perspective. So, this is the Hanged Man as well. New perspective sa buhay. Travel opportunities talaga. Oh, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maaring may delays. Okay? Kasi meron ditong roadblock. Something might be blocking you, or parang obstacle na kailangan mong ma-overcome. 'Di ba? So, may kita mo, halimbawa, nagde-drive ka, may naka-block ng mga bato. So, kung kaya mong ilipat yan sa kabilang side, edi tapos yung problema mo, makaka-cross ka, makakadaan ka. Pero kung mabigat, then ask for help. Okay? So, kumbaga, yung paraan mo ng pag-iisip ng solusyon, yun yung magiging daan or susi para sa pagpapatuloy ng mga plano mo. Yan, trial to overcome. Heart and home. Ayan, happy home, security. Yes. I feel like, naghahanap ka ng place, let's say, bahay, or a safe place, or a safe home for your family, na masasabi mo na magiging komportable kayo with your family there. May sense of comfort. So, yun yung nakikita ko dyan. Mahanap ka ng place na kung saan mas magiging komportable ka, whether may family ka o wala, no? You want to experience that comfort. You create your own reality. What you want wants you to. What do you want to experience? O, diba? You create your own reality. Ito yung energy ng the Hanged Man, the Magician, which is about manifestation skills. Kaya mong mag-create ng reality mo. Ngayon, ang tanong, ano ba yung gusto mo? Paano mo i-align yung sarili mo doon sa mga gusto mong mangyari? Paano kung nasa isip mo lang yan pero hindi ka naman nagte-take action? So, walang resulta yan, 'di ba? You have to take action. There is strength in doing nothing. Wait, what have you been forcing and how can you let go of the outcome? So, biglang sinabi rito is, there is strength in doing nothing. Like what I mentioned kanina, meron dyang blockage, okay? So, it's either you take an action to remove that blockage or i-reassess mo yung yung sitwasyon kung may magagawa ka ba. Kasi pwedeng it's beyond your control. So, if it's beyond your control, just wait kung sino yung pwedeng tumulong, no? But if it's something within your control, do something about it. Take action. Okay? And may mga bagay rin na minsan pinipilit natin pero hindi talaga. So, if nafe-feel mo na kahit anong gawin mo, it's not going to the direction that you want to go, then maybe it's not for you. Okay? So, try other things. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.